Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to receive money into your Revolut account. Receiving funds quickly and securely is essential for personal use or business transactions. Let's get started. First, open the Revolut app. Log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Next, navigate to the Accounts or Receive Money section. From the main menu, select the account or currency you want to receive funds in. Then, choose your preferred method to receive money. You can share your IBAN, Revolut account number, or unique Revolut payment link with the sender. After that, provide your details to the sender. Make sure to double-check the account number, IBAN, or payment link to avoid errors. Next, wait for the transfer. Depending on the sender's bank or payment method, funds may arrive instantly or take a few business days. Revolut will notify you once the money has been received. Finally, verify your balance. Open your account to confirm the funds have been credited and keep a record of the transaction for reference. Quick tips. Always double-check your account details before sharing with the sender. Enable notifications in the Revolut app to track incoming transfers. Be aware of any fees if the money is coming from a different currency or country. Receiving money into your Revolut account is simple, secure, and fast when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.